Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Today's video will be quite different. Today we're actually taking care of the Batmobile. She's going to service and I thought I'd bring you along, so I'm going to shoot the video by myself. It's not going to be the most professional video you've seen on my channel, but perhaps it's going to be an interesting one. Hopefully it will be. So as you can see, there's a few cars in front of it, so I have to move the Bentayga. The drop head has to come out, and then we will take the Batmobile out so she can get on the tow truck and we'll send her to Cannes for servicing. Alright, so given that the bat is right there, it's time to move the Bentayga out of the way. Cold start, as you can see. So we're going to let her calm down and then take her out. Alright, so Bentayga out of the way. It's now time for the drop head. This one also has a cold start, although you don't see it with the RPMs because there's no RPM gauge right here. As you know, Rolls-Royce has a power reserve, but you can hear it from the sound. So even here I wait a couple of seconds until the RPMs go down and then I move her out. Alright, cold start finished. Alright, so I've basically monopolized the parking with the Rolls here, the Bentayga there, but everything has to be out of the way when the bat comes out because of course maneuverability is not its best, let's say, attribute. Alright, so it's now time for the startup procedure. Here we go. Alright. So I have a man of the security who's escorting me, given that we're doing this in plain day, which is usually not ideal, given of course the traffic. So that's why this kind man is helping us. Alright, the security in this residence is really helping, just like the concierge, which is what you'd expect in Monaco. So here we are, the bat is out. We're gonna put her right here for the time being. It's not gonna be easy with this truck in the middle, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna find the solution. Alright, so the car is out. Now I have to go back, put the Rolls and the Bentayga where they're supposed to be and wait for the tow truck to come and get it. I love how she never fails to draw a crowd, and this is private property technically. Alright. So currently getting it on the tow truck, which is millimetrically, it's a millimetric operation. It's millimetrically fitting from what I've been told by the gentlemen which are helping me on the outside. See, eh? You hear that? It's the limit. Oh my god, it looks like I'm gonna crash in the truck, huh? See, eh? Hello. So as you can see, indeed, we are at the limit. We have space on that side at the front. Let's look what's happening. Yeah, precisely millimetric. All right, so there she is leaving. As you can see, she's totally lifted in order not to scrape any body part on the loading process, and now I'm gonna take the Bentayga and follow him along. So unfortunately I couldn't just follow the tow truck straight away because the bee needs of course to drink as per usual, and so he must be well ahead of me given the traffic that there was to get out of Monaco. Ah, you thirsty car, come on. So we are finally on the go. Hopefully I will manage to catch up with him on the highway before he gets there. I don't want him to be waiting too much, you know, the transporter. And I'd love to see the bat on the back of the tow truck on the highway. So let's go. Alright, so we just unloaded the car. I didn't film the operation, but she's here, that's done. Always nice to let some kids play with it and take some pictures. And now we put her inside where she can be serviced. So a school bus just happened to disembark here.